really impressive. I knew already his qualities as well, but
Coach Patrick, Rizky Ridho is one of the players that came through from our system. What do you think of his performance tonight? Thank you.
Rizky Ridho played a fantastic game, really impressive. I knew already his qualities as well, but he did a great job. Yeah, what else could I say? He deserved to play as well, and yeah, he's got a bright future, of course. But I'm really, really happy with his performance this evening.
Rizky Ridho performanya menurut Coach Patrick sangat fantastis malam ini, mengagumkan. Dia emang seharusnya ya mendapatkan kesempatan untuk main malam ini, untuk start. Masa depannya sangat cerah untuk Rizky Ridho dan dia sangat bahagia dengan performance-nya malam ini.
Saya Yasir Neneama. Saksikan program-program Kompas TV melalui siaran digital, pay TV, dan media streaming lainnya. Kompas TV, independen, terpercaya.